Good morning, everyone. Children, today we are going to do chapter 10 fractions part 5 of class 3. In this, we are going to do the comparisons of fractions. Now, children, let us understand like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with the same denominators. That means the denominators are same in this fraction. Let us see with the examples. 3/5 or 3 upon 5 and 4/5, that is 4 upon 5. What is the common here? Here the denominators are same, that is 5. See, in both the fraction 5 is the common denominator. That means this is a like fraction. And in unlike fractions, the fractions are with different denominators. Now, example you see 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 8. Here, the denominators are not of same number. That is, one is having 7 and the other is having 8. They are not having the same common number in the denominator. So, it is a unlike fraction. 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 8 is unlike fraction. Now let us understand how to compare fractions. Children, whenever we are comparing fractions, always see whether it is a like fraction or unlike fraction. If it is a like fraction, their denominators is same. That means they are having common denominator. Now 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. You can see here 8 is common. Now in like fractions, you have to always see the numerator. The fraction with greater numerator is bigger number. Now 5 upon 8 is bigger than 3 upon 8 because 5 is greater than 3. In the picture also you can see both the circles are having equal number of total parts, that is 8. And in one picture 5 portions are shaded and in other 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So that's why 5 upon 8 is bigger than 3 upon 8. One more example you see. Hexagons are made here. Now in one hexagon, 2 portions are shaded and the other is having 3 portions are shaded. Now 3 is greater than 2. So that's why 3 upon 6 is greater than 2 upon 6 because 2/6 is less than 3/6. Now you can understand more clearly here how to compare like fractions. Here the denominators are same. You can see here in the first example 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Now you have to see the number on numerator. Which one is bigger? 3. 3 is bigger than 2. So that's why 3 upon 4 is bigger than 2 upon 4. Another example, 3 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. As the denominators are same, that is 8. But the number on numerator 6 is bigger than 3. So that's why 6 upon 8 is bigger than 3 upon 8. Third example, 2 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. The number on numerator, that is 4, is bigger than 2. So that's why 4 upon 6 is bigger than 2 upon 6. Then the last example, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3. So here 2 upon 3 is bigger than 1 upon 3 because 2 is greater than 1. See, you can see the numerator and easily say which number is bigger or which fraction is bigger. Now we are going to understand how to compare unlike fractions by using cross multiplication formula. Now see the example, children. Here you can see the denominators are not same. So that's why they are unlike fraction. So in unlike fraction, how you will do the comparison? The first fraction you see. Here the numerator is multiplied with the denominator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction is multiplied with the numerator of second fraction. That is 5 fours are. See, I have made the arrows here. 5 fours are 20 and 7 threes are 21. Now compare which number is bigger, 20 or 21? Obviously 21. So therefore 3 upon 5 is bigger than 4 upon 7. See other example, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 7. In this, the numerator 2 is multiplied with the denominator of the second fraction, that is 7. So 7 twos are 14. And the denominator given on the first fraction is 3. That will be multiplied with the numerator of second fraction, that is 4. So 3 fours are 12. Now 14 is bigger than 12. That's why 2 upon 3 is bigger than 4 upon 7. Another example, 4 upon 10 and 2 upon 5. Same way you will do cross multiplication. 5 fours are 20 and 10 twos are 20. Now both the numbers are same here, 20 and 20. So this is an example of an equivalent fraction. So you will put the sign of equal because both are equal here. In this way you can do the comparison in unlike fraction. Now children, we will do the exercise given on the page number 102. Shade to show the two fractions and then write greater, lesser or equal. Okay children, now here again on the basis of comparison you have to tell which one is greater or lesser. Now see the first picture here. On the denominators in both the fractions the numbers are same. Okay, so they are the examples of like fraction. Now you compare the number given on the numerator. So you can see 2 is greater than 1. So therefore 2/4 is greater than 1/4. And by picture also you can understand easily that 2/4 is greater than 1/4. Second question you see. First you shade the picture 1/3. Out of 3, 1 you have to color and out of 4 you have to color 1. By seeing the picture you can say 1/3 is greater than 1/4. But without giving the picture, how you are going to identify children? You will do the cross multiplication. As the denominators are not same, they are the examples of unlike fractions. In the first 1/3 is given, in the second 1/4. That means in the first fraction denominator is 3 and the other the denominator is 4. So they are not same. So what you will do? You will multiply one numerator with the denominator of the second fraction, that is 4. That is 4 ones are 4. And then you will multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second one. That is 3 ones are 3. Now see, 4 is greater than 3. So therefore 1/3 is greater than 1/4. Now the another example also same, unlike fraction. The denominators are not same here. One is having 7, the other is having 5. First you shade the picture children. Out of 7 you shade 5 and out of 5 you have to shade 4. So by shading you can understand that 4/5 is greater than 5/7. But without picture how you will find out? You will do the cross multiplication. So multiply the first numerator with the second fractions denominator, that is 5 5s are 25. Then you multiply the second fractions numerator with the first fractions denominator, that is 7 4s are 28. Now 28 is greater than 25, hence 4/5 is greater than 5/7. In this way you can find out the unlike fraction which is greater. Now children, we are going to do another question. Here you can see in the picture 1/3 and half is given to you. You have to identify which one is bigger. So first you shade the color. Out of 3, 1 and then out of 2, 1. So by seeing the picture you can easily say that half is greater than 1/3. But if the picture is not given, how you are going to identify? Again do the cross multiplication, as this is also an example of unlike fraction. Now 1 will be multiplied with the denominator of the second fraction, that is 2. So you will get 2 ones are 2. Then you will multiply the numerator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction, that is 3 ones are 3. So 3 is greater than 2. That's why half is greater than 1/3. Another example or another question, same type of question, as it is also an example of unlike fraction. 3/4 is given to you and 2/3 is given to you. First you shade the circle which is having 4 parts. Out of that you shade 3 parts, and in the second circle out of 3 you shade 2. By seeing the picture, you can say 3/4 is greater than 2/3. But without seeing the picture, do the cross multiplication. The first fraction is 3/4. The number on the numerator is 3. So multiply with the denominator of the second fraction, that is again 3 is there. So 3 3s are 9. Now the second fraction, the numerator on the second fraction is 2. Multiplied with the denominator of the first fraction, that is 4. So 4 2s are 8. Now here in the first fraction 9 and in the second fraction you got 8. So 9 is greater than 8. That's why 3/4 is greater than 2/3. In this way we can find out the fraction which is greater in unlike fraction. Now children, there is a homework on the basis of today's work. Do the exercise 10b, shade to show the two fractions and then write greater, lesser or equal sign given on the page number 102. Do all the practice work in your book and copy both. And in the next class children, we are going to do the word problems based on fractions. With this, thank you.